T-REC Robotic Tyre Changer. The tire is easily positioned through an ergonomic, air-operated wheel lift, making clamping smooth and effortless. Its hybrid clamping system, combining the speed of air operation with the power and strength of mechanical clamping, always guarantees perfect wheel locking. Set the corresponding diameter on the control panel. Press the go pedal to start the automatic cycle. Position the valve in the same direction as the bead loosening disc, to correctly memorize the position and avoid damaging the TPMS sensor. Press go pedal. T-REC features intelligent software that automatically manages a complete tire bead loosening and demounting cycle, without any operator intervention. All tool movements are electro-hydraulic, ensuring maximum precision. Tool positioning is automatically set by sensors at the beginning of each cycle. T-REC integrates Giuliano's exclusive technologies. Move parallelogram operating system. Leverless mounting tool. Press arm with self-storage function. All proudly patented by Giuliano. But that's not all. Unlike any other fully automatic tire changer, T-REC allows the operator to modify the automatic cycle at any time, fine-tuning each step based on experience and tire type. Thanks to the exclusive T-REC self-learning software, the machine memorizes these custom settings, creating a new personalized cycle that can be stored and recalled from the internal database. This unique system combines total automation with professional expertise, allowing technicians to work effortlessly, precisely, and safely, even on ultra-rigid or run-flat tires. The T-REC also stands out for its cost efficiency, delivering top-level automation and performance at a fraction of the cost of other robotic tire changers. Let's take a closer look at its key functions. Automatic procedure for bead loosening and tire demounting, selectable according to tire and wheel type. Possibility to interrupt and modify the automatic cycle without reset. T-REC memory function, to store and recall new procedures from the touchscreen interface. iREC self-learning, the tire changer optimizes its operations based on operator experience. Robust fixed vertical tower with patented move operating arm. Leverless mounting and demounting system, standard. BP1 plus bead pressing arm with patented self-storage function. Center clamp chuck rotation by moto inverter or hydraulic drive. Tire set function, to repeat the same procedure across all 4 tires. 10-inch interactive touchscreen monitor for easy operation. Ergonomic control console with dual working modes, automatic or manual. Double hydraulic bead loosening system with CDC center-driven concept, Giuliano Patent, for faster penetration and immediate bead loosening. 5-year warranty on gearbox and move system. Built with precision, power, and passion, T-REC represents the next generation of tire service automation. Designed, built and engineered in Italy, from the heart of the Motor Valley, the Giuliano T-REC is an amazing piece of technology, created to ensure efficiency, precision, and absolute safety. T-REC, the future of tire service.